In the previous video, we understood the layer properties in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how layers control color, line type, line weight, visibility, lock, freeze, transparency, and plotting. Now, in this video, we'll understand another very useful tool, the properties palette. The properties palette helps us to check and change the information of the selected subjects. For example, if you select a line, the properties palette can show its layer, color, line type, line weight, length, angle, and other details. If you select a circle, it can show the radius, diameter, center point, layer, color, and more. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the layer palette in a very simple way. The properties palette is a panel that shows information about the object you select. Think of it like an information card. If you select a line, AutoCAD shows the information of that line. If you select a circle, AutoCAD shows the information about that circle. If you select the text, AutoCAD will show the information of the text. So, the simple way to remember is this. Properties palette shows and edits the object details. It helps you to understand what object is, which layer is on, and what setting it has. The property palette is important because every object in AutoCAD has a properties. A line has a layer. A circle has a radius. A rectangle has a geometry. Text has height and style. Dimension have dimension settings. If you want to check or change these settings, the property palette is very useful. Instead of guessing what object is, you can select it and check its properties. So remember, properties palette help you to inspect and control objects more professionally. There are different ways to open the property palettes. The easiest way is using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus 1. This opens the property palette. You can also type PROPERTIES and press enter. You can also find this from the ribbon. But as a beginner, remember this shortcut. Ctrl plus 1 opens and closes the property palette. This is one of the most useful shortcuts in AutoCAD. Now let's see how it works. Open the property palette by pressing Ctrl plus 1 keyboard. Now draw one line. Click on the line. As soon as you select the line, property palette shows the information about that line. You can see details like layer, color, line type, line weight, start point, end point, length, angle. This means AutoCAD is showing the properties of the selected line. The properties palette has sections called General. This section is usually shown as common properties, for example, color, layer, line type, line weight, transparency, plot size. These are the common because many objects have these properties. A line has a layer, a circle has a layer, a rectangle has a layer, text also has a layer. So, the general section helps you to control the basic appearance and organization of objects. You can also change the object layer using the property palette. For example, select a line, look at the properties palette, find the layer option, click the layer name, choose another layer from the list. Now, the selected object moves to the layer. This is very useful when an object is drawn on the wrong layer. You don't need to erase it. You don't need to redraw it. Just select the object and change the layer from the properties palette. So remember, properties palette can move objects to the correct layer. You can also change the object color from the properties palette. Select the object, find the color option. You may see by layer. This means the object following the color from the layer. As we learned earlier, by layer is usually the best option for the clean drawings. But if needed, you can manually change the color here. As a beginner, remember this. Use by layer most of the time. Only change the object color manually when you have a clear reason. This keeps your drawing organized. The properties palette can also show the line type and line weight. Line type controls the style of the line. For example, continuous, dashed, hidden, or centerline. Line weight controls how thick or thin line appears. You can select the object and change these values from the properties palette. But again, from professional drawings, it is better to keep these settings as by layer when possible. That way, objects follow the layer settings. So remember, properties palette can change the line type and line weight, but by layer keeps things clean. The properties palette also shows the geometry information. Geometry means the shape-related information of the object. For example, if you select a line, you may see its length, angle, start point, and end point. If you select a circle, you may see its radius, diameters, circumferences, and area. If you select an arc, you may see radius, start angle, end angle, and arc length. This is very useful when you want to check the object measurements quickly. So remember, geometry properties tell you about the size and position of an object. Let's use a simple example. Draw one line. Select the line. Open the properties palette with Ctrl 1. Now, look at the length value. In some cases, you can change the certain values directly from the properties palette. For example, you may be able to adjust the position, coordinate, layer, color, or other settings. This means property palette is not only checking the information, it can also be used for editing. But as a beginner, first use it mainly for inspect an object. Once you become comfortable, you can use it to edit values more comfortably. Now let's try a circle. Draw one circle. Select the circle. Look at the properties palette. You may see the circle's center point. You may see a radius. You may see diameter. You see area and circumferences. If you want to change the radius, you can type the new value in the radius field. For example, if the radius is 5, you can change it to 10. The circle becomes larger. This is a very useful way to edit circles accurately. So remember, for circles, property palettes can help you to check and change the radius or diameter. You can also select multiple objects. For example, select 3 lines together. The properties palette will show the common properties of those selected objects. If you selected the objects are in the same layer, it may show that layer name. If the selected objects are on the different layers, it may show that the value varies. This is very useful when you want to change many objects at the same time. For example, select multiple objects. Change the layer from properties palette. Now, all selected objects move to that one layer. So remember, property palette can edit one object or many objects together. Many AutoCAD users keep property palette on while working. You can place it at the side of the screen. You can dock into the left or right side. You can also close when it doesn't need it. If it takes too much space, press Ctrl+1 to close it. If you need it again, press Ctrl+1 to open it. So the shortcut is easy. Ctrl+1 opens and closes the property palette. Use it whenever you need to inspect or edit object details. So let's quickly summarize the properties palette. The property palette shows the information about the selected objects. You can open it by pressing Ctrl+1. You can also type properties and press enter. It shows property color, layer, line type, line weight, transparency, length, radius, diameter, angle, coordinates, and many other details. It can help you to edit some objects' values directly. And remember, layer properties control layers, but property palette controls the selected objects. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Press Ctrl+1 to open a properties palette. Draw one line. Select that line. Look at the property palette and find the layer, color, line type, line weight, length, and angle. Now draw a circle. Select the circle. Look for the radius and diameter. Change the radius value and see how the circle changes. Now create 2 layers. Name them walls and doors. Draw a line on the wrong layer. Select that line. Use the properties palette to change to the correct layer. Practice this slowly and you understand how property palette help you to inspect and edit the objects. So this was the property palette in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that property palette is used to check and change the object information. If you want to know what layer an object is on, select it and check the properties. If you want to know radius of a circle, select and check properties. If you want to move object to another layer, select and change the layer in properties. The shortcut is very simple. Ctrl+1 opens and closes the properties palette. In the next video, we'll understand the match properties command. Match properties help us to copy properties like layer, color, line type, line weight from object to another. So in the next lesson, we'll learn how to make object look and behave same quickly in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next video.